What's up, guys? Today we are at the hill to have some fun with this RC monster truck. Hey everyone, I'm Abby.
I'm Nate behind the camera.
Amelia's taking that. Papa is at home. We are the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Sorry I sound a little nasally today, getting over some allergies, but thank you guys for the well wishes because I feel way better than what I did yesterday. I am excited though because we have this awesome monster truck that is fully ready to run. Comes in right under $80. It has a really random name. I'm just going to call it the Bigfoot. But if you want to check this out, it'll be linked down below in the description box. I cannot believe this comes in around $80. Has a brush motor. It has a 2S 1500 milliamp LiPo battery with a Dean's connection. It is 4-wheel drive, and I just think it's going to be a ton of fun. So let's power this on and see if it can conquer the hill.
Okay guys, we're getting this truck ready, and I will show you as it passes by. But as we get this ready, I want to show you. And I gotta be nonchalant here. I gotta be so nonchalant because he's on to us now. He's on to us.
I feel like that's a different truck.
No, that's the same van. That's the same van. It's not a truck, it's a van.
Whatever. You know what I mean.
Trucks aren't scary. Vans are scary.
White
Nice.
man is leaving.
Got it all
Truck
bound
is
up.
ready. Did he wave at you?
His windows rolled down that time, and he does not look like the friendliest man ever. I can say that.
Back to this. If you think this can conquer the hill, as always, let us know your guesses in the comments below. But I'm gonna try it first, and then I'll let you drive it, Nate, as long as you promise not to break it.
I will not break it. I'll try not to break it. But we got the ramp too. Got the ramp.
Oh, look at all the water.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be just fine. Now don't go through. I don't think it's waterproof. So easy, girl, easy. You got it trimmed?
I got it trimmed. It was actually pretty good right out of the box.
Let's see. Go full throttle. What are you doing? Oh. Okay. I like mud.
I'm doing the hill first.
Okay. Okay. It's
And
not
the
water.
puddles.
Guys, this is not waterproof. So don't do that. Let's see if you can do the hill. Oh. Oh.
I love monster trucks.
Oh.
That wasn't even full
So
throttle.
simple.
So I'm gonna try full throttle now.
Oh, okay.
In a
Oh.
second. I gotta get going.
Now, it does make it a little bit easier, right?
there's
When
full
the ground is sopping
Oh,
wet.
I hit the
Root, yeah. Oh,
Come on.
oh, there's one. That's one. I think that was fair. That root is a pretty nasty root. Let's see what you got.
All right, full throttle. Don't hit the roots.
Oh, conquered it. I mean, you're up there. You're totally up there. You're even going to try to climb the tree.
You got to get fully up there. Now we're up there.
Okay, no problem.
You want me to try?
That's my turn. Oh yeah.
It is always.
Oh yeah.
Why do I
Oh.
keep doing that?
Oh.
Nate's
I like
at
it.
the controls.
Feels pretty good.
Say goodbye to our precious truck because he'll break it.
I do want to do a speed test before we hit the hill, just in case I do break it. So here, let's do it.
How fast is this supposed to go?
It says 60 kilometers an hour, 35 miles an hour, roughly 36. Which, by the way, I think one of our viewers, maybe TheRcSaylors, which is like our oldest longtime viewer ever, little smiley face guy. Pretty sure he's the one that told me how to do a quick kilometers an hour to miles an hour conversion. So 60 kilometers an hour, about 36 miles an hour. You just take the main number, 6 into 60, and multiply that times 6, and you got your miles an hour. Okay, let's go. This is, whoops, okay, all right.
What did I say, guys? What did I say? What did I say?
It's not supposed to go in that much water.
I went in the little puddles. You go in the biggest puddle.
Yeah.
The biggest puddle. Like how
It's kind of, the tires are kind of slick. Because
it's wet. One. I don't think it's going 36 miles an hour.
No, definitely not. That's kind of what I was going to get at. That's full throttle. It definitely doesn't feel
oh man,
like, I don't know, it feels weighty. Weighty, is that a good word?
Weighty.
I made it up the hill. Apparently it does better up the hill than down the hill, because we both do that going down the hill.
At least you landed on its feet.
I would have to guess not even 20 miles an hour. Okay, let's hit this ramp. Okay.
My truck.
I like
that was close.
Sliding, like it slides really well. it's pretty cool. I love the look. You didn't even address the fact that I think it looks like a Mountain Dew truck. I mean, I know
but it's
not a Mountain Dew truck. Mountain Dew has nothing to do with this, but I think it looks like Mountain Dew, and I love Mountain Dew, so I'm allowed to say that because I do love Mountain Dew. And if Mountain Dew wants to endorse this video or sponsor this video, I would totally let them because I love some Mountain Dew. Here comes that white van again.
Do some speed runs. You didn't do a really good speed run.
All right, I want to try to make sure this dual rate, the throttle trim. I just want to make sure
there's
it's up.
not a speed switch,
you know
is there?
It's up as high as it'll go.
And it can't stop now.
Right, it can't stop, but I have it turned up as fast as it'll go. I mean, I can still hit reverse, and that'll slow it down. But look, that's at 0 throttle. Look, show him, Abby. Look, see my transmitter?
Yeah, he's good. Move your hand.
Throttle trim is all the way up, right? So here we go. That's full throttle with the throttle trim up. That is not even close to, probably not even 30 kilometers an hour. I'm just gonna turn that back down. Okay, little buddy, you can stop. There's like a sweet spot. Okay, steering trim, steering dual rate. So
there's no secret switch.
No secret switch on here.
You don't have to pull this out.
Let's see. Okay, now we're in high mode. Let's go. Whoa, 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 whoa. I can't even control it so fast, Abby. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm just kidding. Same speed. It's cool. If you like the way this thing looks, I'd say go for it. Otherwise, I don't know, like, it's not doing, I think the last couple vehicles we've had on the channel did perform better than this, like that little desert buggy thing we had. That was a few dollars cheaper and I think it performed better. But personally, I like the way this looks more. This just kind of sounds funny too, doesn't it? They're going to meet the white van right there. Really, we should just review the white van because they're in the video more than this truck is.
Did I hear a duck?
Yes.
Or a frog?
Frog.
Where is he?
Right here. He's in this puddle.
I see him.
Yeah, his little head's poking out. There he goes. Oh, under the leaves.
Is that him?
He's right here. Look.
Making that noise? Did you poke him? I feel like there's another one because that sounds like it's coming up from over here.
Well, he's right there. Look at his little head poking up.
I don't see his head.
Here, I'll get him. I'll get it.
Oh.
Okay, watch. I'm just gonna watch right here. Little frog right there. See him? See him? See his little head there? I'm poking him.
No. There's one like somewhere in there.
See? Look, he poked up.
Here, I see him. I think I saw bubbles. I think he's in like right there.
Okay. Well, look at this one. Look.
Oh,
He's not gonna get you. Thinks he's hiding under that leaf, doesn't he? Watch this.
Don't poke him.
I'm not gonna poke him. I'm just, hey, little guy. Hey, little froggy frog, go, move.
You're gonna get a wart.
No, those are toads.
Back to the truck.
Here
so many distractions.
We got white vans and frogs all day long. They're just making fun of us now. Here, like, you can't get me.
Listen to him.
Oh, Abby.
What?
He's right here. I saw him. Yeah, that's the guy. That's the one we were just chasing. And I saw him. I saw his little throat. He's been back here before. Okay, we'll just let the frogs narrate the video. Why are all of our videos just pure chaos now? Everything we do, just chaos. What? There's another car coming. Keep going, let's keep going. A lot of traffic today. All right, let's do this.
We need to find a new park.
We do, but this is the hill, Abby.
I know.
The hill with frogs and...
My turn.
Yes. Okay, I got you reset.
I will say, this section of the hill is way more fun when it's not wet.
I like it when it's dry and dusty and it kicks up the dirt, yeah. And I think the wetness helped the truck do the hill climb challenge for sure. I don't know if this could have done it without it. Without the wet ground. What do you think of this thing though, Abby? Let's talk about the truck for a second.
Well, let's not get hit by the car. Does he need us to move?
You're okay. I can't really, it's all muddy. I'm just recording the truck there.
Y'all have a good one.
You too.
Be careful.
And we got the mystery man on camera. Just recorded straight to his face. Whoa.
You don't do that if you're being friendly.
Right. Okay. Back to the truck. What do you think about this truck, Abby? How's it, like, as far as the way it handles and stuff? Do you like it?
I think it's doing a good job.
Yeah. It feels like it's kind of, I said weighty, like it's got a little bit more weight to it, a little heavier than the other trucks we've been driving.
Because we haven't driven a monster truck in forever.
Well, one of them was kind of a monster truck. Yeah. Oh, don't scare the frog.
Oh, I'm not going through that puddle. There's froggies in there.
They are. I think they're taunting us a little bit. They're like,
I think they want us to go away. I can see them right there.
Sorry, little froggies. Yeah.
moving?
I think my favorite thing about this truck is that it says Bigfoot, but it looks like a Mountain Dew truck. I don't know. It doesn't like, it feels good. It's driving okay, but there's just something about it that doesn't seem awesome. I think it's because they put 60 kilometers an hour on the box, and so I had these really high expectations, and then it didn't hit that. But I mean, it does look really cool. Look at this thing. Look at that. The mud is just sticking to those tires, and it says Bigfoot. And Abby, let's get a close shot of that. Even in the dirt and stuff, it just looks so cool. I like that. That's definitely my favorite thing about it, and it's under $100, completely ready to run, so you can't complain too much. I do like it though. Yeah. Well, I think what I want to do is hit the ramp a couple more times and see if I can actually break it before we go. Do you want to try to hit the ramp?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that.
I need practice.
Abby's going to practice with the ramp. Practice hitting the ramp with this truck. This is her official getting better day at hitting the ramp. I think you got it. I think you got it. Yeah, okay. That was good. That was good first try. If you'd never touched an RC truck before. There you go. A little bump. Okay. See, those tires are kind of hard, and when they get wet, they are just slick as snot. Okay, almost my turn. All right, let's go. Let's do one more turn for Abby. She's gonna be better at hitting the ramp this way. Okay.
Can you push it out this way and not so close to the puddle?
She says it's too close to the puddle, so we'll... See, I like using the edge of the road as kind of like a guide, so I don't miss it as often. All right, 5 miles an hour, Abby. You got this. I think it's my turn to hit the ramp. Yeah, let's do it.
I can't hit the ramp. I feel like I'm a better driver than you sometimes, but not with this. Oh, you're gonna hit it just like this?
Yeah, just you kind of kicked it out of the way so another like random person could go back there and see if I can hit it this way. That's actually
see, it's hard to steer. I think the battery's dying.
I think so
dead.
too. It's very low. It's going much.
I had a hard time steering it to keep it on track.
Well, I think this is overall an okay truck. I mean, if you end up getting this, oh no. Oh. I think that's it. Yeah, the batteries.
Or you fried it.
No, it's still it might be dead. And maybe what we'll do is give it a little charge and give you guys a little update in the comments or something, let you know if it's not dead. It's not waterproof though, don't do what we did. I usually don't intentionally hit water, and I actually kind of didn't intentionally hit the water today, but it did happen, so. I
think it was just kind of hard to steer it.
It is hard to steer this truck. A lot of me wants to like this truck, and there's just a few things. It's so hard to explain, just kind of like, oh, it's not great, but.
It's one of those things where like you feel like if maybe it was like $20, $30 cheaper, it would be better.
Oh, yeah.
But there's so much at this price point that it's competing with that it's hard to say that it's up there.
Yes. Well, we've got more traffic coming through, so we definitely have to get out of the road. If you guys are interested in this monster truck, we'll have it linked in the description box below. It's really hard to focus when we have these guys driving. Like 10 different single men drove by today to go to this one spot. So make sure you say hello to YouTube as they drive. How you doing? What is it? And it's a dead end spot. This video may end up being on national news. It may be in a police report somewhere when they start investigating what's going on back here. Regardless, we'll have the truck link in the description box below. Please, someone come save us. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!